We are going to introduce the Greenyard Scheduler, which is an innovative decision support system for container terminals. You know, maritime shipping is the backbone of world trade. Out of all cargo type, 60% of global cargo is handled by container vessels. There are 600 container ports around the world that play a key role as the main hubs of global logistics network in connecting sea and land transportation modes. Container terminals involve complex operations, and they are mainly integrated with their host cities. Therefore, their sustainability has been a top priority for the general public, port authorities, and container terminal operators. The Greenyard Scheduler is a response to this need as we move towards a net zero society. We developed this tool in the European-funded project Port Forward in collaboration with the Port of Vigo for their container terminal, but in a flexible and scalable manner that can be used by other ports.
The Greenyard Scheduler is integrated with the terminal operating system. It pulls real-time data from the system and provides solutions to terminal operators. It includes 3 modules for housekeeping, inspection container positioning, and yard crane scheduling operations. GYS is a desktop application. To run it, the user should first install it on a computer and then click the application link to start. It is required to enter the user ID and password to connect to the home page where module buttons are located. From here, the user can go to any module page. The housekeeping module produces a reordering sequence of containers in a yard bay to eliminate relocations during peak hours. This module finds the optimal sequence that minimizes the number of movements and the energy consumption of cranes. The user first specifies the bay and block numbers to see the list of containers to be reordered. Then they click on Run HKM button to launch the optimization module. The result page shows the initial and final orders of containers in the bay, the projected energy consumption of cranes, and the number of movements required for housekeeping. The inspection container positioning module allocates storage spaces to incoming inspection containers. The goal is to minimize the number of extra container movements and the energy consumption of cranes and trucks. This module pulls the list of inspection containers from the operating system. Then the user clicks on the Run ICPM button to launch the optimization module. The decision alternatives that show the trade-off between energy consumption and container movements are visualized on a graph. This gives the user the chance to scroll through the alternatives and execute the desired decision.
To execute the output of housekeeping and inspection container positioning modules, as well as other jobs such as land gate in and land gate out, the yard crane scheduling module determines the schedules of available yard cranes for moving containers from the point of origin to their allocated positions. This feature aims to minimize the delays of container movements so that all the operations can be done as soon as possible. It also minimizes the yard crane energy consumption generated by long travel distance and waiting time. After reading the information of available cranes and pending jobs, run the algorithm and it outputs a set of schedules for the operators to choose from. Once a plan is confirmed, a detailed schedule tells you which container each yard crane needs to handle at what time to move them to their destinations.
The application of technology is essential in order to solve the challenges we face in the most effective and efficient manner. We see the Greenyard Scheduler as a decision support system which will help us reduce the number of movements performed in a container terminal on a daily basis, and therefore saving energy and costs while making better use of our resources.
By increasing the operational efficiency and reducing the energy consumption, the Greenyard Scheduler helps container terminals improve their competitiveness and promote their sustainability in the port city ecosystems. Our performance evaluation at the Port of Vigo indicates significant room for improving both productivity and sustainability by using the Green Yard Scheduler, with a projected energy saving of 900 megawatt hours per year as a result of reduced container movements as well as crane and truck journeys. Interested ports and other stakeholders of container terminals are most welcome to get in touch via email or social media for further details and demonstrations.